The 2018 Dodge Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.